First question, match the following items in column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct answer. Now first, with arsenic element, which disease among the given diseases is caused? So arsenicosis is referred as poisoning caused due to prolonged exposure to the metal like arsenic. In China, exposure to arsenic via drinking water has been shown to cause a severe disease of the blood vessel, which leads to gangrene known as Blackfoot disease. So arsenic with Blackfoot disease. Then for nitrate, okay, a blue baby syndrome is called methemoglobinemia. It is caused by nitrate contamination in groundwater, resulting in a decreased oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin in babies, leading to death. So this nitrate, that is B with blue baby syndrome, that is 3. Then mercury. So it's a Minamata disease, is a neurological syndrome caused by severe mercury poisoning. So Minamata mercury with Minamata disease, that is 1. Then cadmium. So it's an Itai disease, was caused by cadmium poisoning. The term Itai disease was coined by locals for the severe pains victims felt in the spine and joints. So it's D with 2. And last E, that is fluorine. So skeletal fluorosis is a bone disease caused by excessive accumulation of fluoride in the bones. In advanced cases, skeletal fluorosis causes pain and damage to bones and joints. So it's E with 4. Now looking towards the option A with 5, we have it there in option B as well as in option D. Then B3. So B3 is there only in option B, and therefore the correct answer for this question is option B. Looking towards the next question, that is the greenhouse effect means. So the warming of Earth's surface when sun radiations are absorbed and trapped in the Earth's atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. The gases responsible for greenhouse effect are called greenhouse gases, which trap the radiation and don't let them reflect back from the Earth's surface. The greenhouse gases are CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. The approximate percentage of different greenhouse gases in the atmosphere: CFCs, it's 14%, carbon dioxide 60%, CH4 methane, that is 20%, and nitrous oxide is 6%. So among all these gases, concentration of carbon dioxide is highest. So it is the main greenhouse gas, and thus the correct answer is option D, that increase in temperature of the earth due to high concentration of carbon dioxide. Option D. Looking towards the next question, that is PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, which stops Hill reaction, is an important constituent of photochemical smog. It is a pollutant formed by chemical interaction of primary pollutant with atmospheric gases and moisture, often catalyzed by sunlight, are called secondary pollutant. PAN, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate, is one such substance where PAN prevents photolysis of water in photosynthesis or Hill reaction. So it's a secondary pollutant. Looking towards the next question, that the main air pollutant is. So basically carbon monoxide is released in incomplete combustion of petroleum product, and automobiles are responsible for the production of 74% of total man-made carbon monoxide. in atmosphere. Now in human beings, carbon monoxide causes headache and difficulty in breathing because hemoglobin has greater affinity to carbon monoxide than oxygen, and they form hemoglobin carbon monoxide complex, which reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. So the correct answer for this question, that is the main air pollutant, is a carbon monoxide. Option A. Looking towards the last question, that is biomagnification of DDT caused decline in bird population by. So DDT, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, is crystalline, colorless and odorless compound which is used as insecticides. Now DDT on runoff from fields reach the water bodies and gets accumulated in the bodies of fishes. When fishes are eaten by birds, it gets accumulated in the body of birds, and hence in this way it enters the food chain. With each successive trophic level, concentration of DDT increases, and this is known as biomagnification. High concentration of DDT disturbs the calcium metabolism, that's correct, calcium metabolism of bird, and causes thinning of eggshells and a premature breaking. This leads to decline in their population. Hence, all these three options are correct. So the correct answer is all of the above. Option B.